Hello and welcome to this showcase. In this showcase I combine a few tutorials of mine to create this truck simulator. So we have this truck with a trailer that we can dock and undock. We have this endless road. We have some NPC traffic, as you can see. We have a day and night cycle. When we go to the interior, we have the steering wheel that we can connect with the real steering wheel controller. We have a tempo meter. On the side we have a mirror. This is also working with different vehicles like this Firebird here, where we also have the interior. We have some car lights. We have the sunset over the ocean. Great. So I hope you enjoyed this showcase. If you have any questions, please let me know, and yeah, goodbye.